Hi everyone, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. This short session is all about SAP, what it is and why we need to go for it. Let's get started. Over 19 years of technical expertise, exclusively on trainings and projects with MSME, ISO registration, certified experienced trainers in the relevant field and technology. Over 1 lakh participants trained and groomed from our school with 40 plus MNC clients across the globe. We assure you complete practical training classes from scratch, right from the basics. The agenda for this particular session is all about what is ERP, what is SAP, and what's the scope, what's the actual scope and the job roles surrounding SAP. What are the different modules and why we need to choose SAP SD? What are the challenges involved? What are the benefits of SAP SD, SAP SD, and why we need to go for SQL School and get groomed on SAP SD? Come on, let's get started now, slowly, step by step, how to get into SAP, what it is. Before we step into SAP, let's understand ERP, what it is, Enterprise Resource Planning. What is it? Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a software used by organizations to manage and integrate important parts of your business. It's a practice of consolidating an enterprise planning and manufacturing activities, sales, marketing, and all other kind of business logic implementations into one single management platform. So real-time use of ERPs. Number one, it can integrate all processes that are needed to run a company, from basic needs to advanced sales, marketing, forecasts, everything SAP and ERP can do for us. It helps us, ERP systems help us to improve the efficiency, better reporting, enhanced data security. They can be used for customizing the enterprise needs, are customized according to the enterprise needs and applicate to users. They are crucial for very large implementations for a day-to-day basis. One such ERP is SAP. Without ERP, there is no business, no enterprise, truly speaking, in this world. And one such technology to implement ERP, SAP, stands for systems, applications, and products in our data processing needs, business operation environment. The software itself was developed by one of the largest software companies. SAP was developed by SAP, a different software company altogether. So it is named based on their founders or founder company name. Like any other ERP, SAP has different modules designed to streamline the business processes with any other department activities. Be it a company, a big enterprise, small organization, anywhere, everywhere, we have the need for SAP. On my screen, SAP has good amount of implementation activities, a real use case implementation of SAP, like digital payments, shopping, or in case of HR management activities, quality checks, warehouse activities, sales, purchases, orders, and automated email and SMS activities, etc. So why SAP mainly? The market leader, 50 plus years of legacy, 30 billion annual revenue for SAP, strong, consistent customer base, SAP S4HANA cloud platform activities, and it suits any business. Truly speaking, it suits any business. And innovative and integrated technologies up to date every day. There are major streams of SAP. Number one, SAP Dev. Number two, SAP Admin. Number three, SAP Functional. Total 3 different areas of focus. We need to choose any one out of these. Different modules across those 3 verticals, development, admin, and functional. We got various hundreds of modules of SAP now. I'm listing the basis and the basement or the main important in demand SAP modules on the screen. Out of all these, let's go for SAP SD. What is SD? Sales and distribution. What is it? Sales and distribution. This SAP SD is mainly a module or a technology stream, I must say, a technology stream, a core module in the SAP entire ERP system. In the SAP ERP central component we call enterprise ERP central component ECC. Main purpose this SAP SD is like a brain. It's the brain. It helps the organizations to manage their sales and distributions and balance them carefully together. SAP SD helps organizations to improve their sales and revenue both by facilitating the flow of information by or between different business departments. The workflow management made very easier, straightforward in SAP SD. And we have 6 core values or core areas of SAP SD learning process. As you see on the screen, data management, process management, integration activities, submodules, reporting and credit management. In our practical classes at our SQL school, we need to touch base practically step by step on every activity, every core value. And our resume should reflect those values by end of our course. Now, who can learn SAP SD? You, me, everyone. Freshers, experienced professionals, anyone, any background, yes, we can. At SQL school, we can make it easier and interesting and useful for you pertaining to the SAP SD learning process. Yes, our carefully curated curriculum will be helping you a lot in these learning activities, step by step. And about the trainer, Mr. Prasad. Prasad sir has got 14 plus years of technology industry experience exclusively on SAP. He started his journey from SAP SD into SAP basis. Now back to SD with updated integration activities and cloud computing components. He has involved in various operations management or supply chain management activities. He's right now working with few MNCs as a consultant, independent consultant. And out of 14 years, Mr. Prasad sir has 10 plus years experience in the teaching or the training field. He has been a great mentor for our SQL school for last few years. And I request you to attend for 1 or 2 demo classes. Assess his talent or thrust, or we can say the love towards SAP. Assess. And I'm pretty sure he'll be flattened with his comment on the subject. And yes, 100% practical classes at our school. We value your time. We value your resume. We value your actual growth of very, very auspicious, precious profile. Come on, let's meet for the demo class and see you there in our live demo session. You can reach our team. Reach us on 9666440801, the number you see on the screen. Not only SAP, we have good amount of talented trainers on Postgres, AWS, Python, data science, AI, and even Azure. Of course, for Azure and Microsoft technologies, I would be the trainer. And we have good amount of trainers, equally talented and carefully planned, curated curriculum for other technologies you see on the screen. Come on, let's meet for a live demo session. Thank you so much and see you soon in the live demo. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.